Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just gone into XRP once again. Thank you for your support. Okay, we've got a CoinsKid crew. So CKB is absolutely bolted. Now we're looking at that chart for a very long time. It's absolutely bolted. That's been an amazing trade for myself and the CoinsKid crew. It took quite a long time to create that double bottom structure, but CKB is doing really well at the moment. So I've dropped my resistance points in the Discord for the crew right there, and equally on Twitter. Okay, so right now, XRP, what's it doing? So basically, if we take a look at this, what it's done right now, XRP's ran into this leg of resistance. Okay, so I remember on the way down here, everyone gets super bearish, but I said to you, look at this God candle. Okay, I expect us to come up, and it was literally on the day, on the cent right there. I gave a target around about 0.28 cents, wasn't it? And at that point, I says XRP's a buy because I think we'll come up into this resistance point because of the God candle breakdown. It was a massive trade, and people forget that, but it was a beautiful trade for myself and the CoinsKid crew, and obviously an accumulation as well of more XRP at the bottom right there. So what we're doing right now, so effectively what we've done, if you take a look at this here, what we've done, we've had this huge ascending triangle, okay, and we broke out, met the target ascending triangle, which I gave you in the summer, met it like a boss, and we've come back, okay, but in the process we're sort of consolidating a range, looking for expansion to the upside. Now the reason I'm looking at that is because a couple of things basically, the fact of what Bitcoin's done recently, breaking that local high, and the bullish engulfing candle that we've put in on the weekly time frame for XRP this week, okay, so that in my opinion is a statement from XRP, a bullish statement that we should not really ignore, and it adds confluence to the fact that that particular breakout by Bitcoin is bullish, not necessarily a bull trap. Do you understand? And this is what I'm trying to relay and find in the charts to you, any sort of confluence analysis or anything, you know, to sort of give us a confirmation of a bearish statement or a bullish statement. So for me, I think the fact that XRP is put in that bullish engulfing candle, providing we see it being held over the next week or so, it's actually a bullish statement for the crypto markets. And we've seen Bitcoin kind of confirm that as well by breaking out. Do you understand? So one thing we have to respect here, that XRP only pumps when Bitcoin corrects, basically, or goes sideways and consolidates in a range. So if I drop the Bitcoin charting for you right now, really simple technical analysis. So at this point here, I remember all this cycle really well, okay? And I know a lot of you got into XRP at this point. At this point, I was making videos, was looking at some kind of consolidation pattern like we are now, you know, with that huge correction just there. We had the correction in the summer, the 35-day ABC, like I said to you, the 35-day ABC, absolutely on the money. And then from that point, we got the ascending triangle, we broke out, ascending triangle, and we broke out. But this drawdown, as expected, like I said to you, this drawdown as well, you know, people have got really bearish. Oh no, it's going to zero and things like that. And the sentiment of the market, you know, Bitcoin's went into resistance and so on and so forth. But we may have clues here, okay? We may have clues because what we've done right now, we've printed the bullish divergence. We've got this ascending left support. We've come up into this. So technically, this is a consolidation plan before expansion. There's no bias, but what we're looking for is a break above this key resistance, this white trend line, take it out. I think we've got a bullish statement, and at that point you could just wait for that. Really, it's simple. So what do we need to see from Bitcoin to increase the probability of that? Well, exactly what we're getting right now, and equally we need Bitcoin to come up, hit resistance, go sideways, because it's at that exact point the XRP will fly and catch Bitcoin up, because this is identical. This is exactly what it does in every single time it does thrust up. So for example, here we've got the big 35-day ABC, and if you take a look at Bitcoin, okay, it was coming up at that time. It's only when Bitcoin came back in for its correction that XRP flourished and put in the move to catch up Bitcoin, grab some of that liquidity basically. So as Bitcoin took off again, pretty much like it's doing just now, what was XRP doing? Going sideways in a range, getting really boring, really crabby, just like it is right now. But Bitcoin was telling us, okay, once it started to correct like this, what happened to XRP? It caught it up. So this is what we're looking for. We're looking for Bitcoin to just keep going, start correcting, holding support, structural support, and then XRP will catch it up, because it's exactly what it does in every single move, okay? So that's basically XRP, you know. We just got to be patient. At the minute, there is a potential play here of a bullish divergence that's built upon the weekly, a possibility of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 35-day ABC, the 35-day ABC, the ascending triangle, the breakout, the consolidation pattern, the breakout, the consolidation pattern, you know, the huge symmetrical triangle before the massive break to the upside, just like we've got there. So where's the next resistance point for XRP? Well, it's really simple. There's your first resistance point. So we've tapped it looking for structural high lows from the low from which you've come to the next resistance point. If we do start to take off in space, it's simple. It's that leg just there, around about the $1 free 1.34 level. Okay, if we start to come up really impulsively, take out these highs, then wow, you know, we're in a massive third wave, and the targets are above these red lines, and you know, we'll address that situation in time if it occurs. But I wish everyone at most luck. But like I've always said to you, patience is key with XRP. We do have a potential bullish signal right now in the sense that Bitcoin's breaking that local high, pushing upwards. Please check out the Bitcoin video, and equally the bullish engulfing candle to confirm the bullish statement from the crypto markets there that XRP put in last week. Okay, I hope you understand the update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Back to a new update on XRP. Bye bye.